Get this spray.
You are my. You are. 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 You are my. You are.
Who that? Oh.
Did you hear the truck last time I was here? You were here?
Yeah, you remember we went around the block?
Oh, okay. Okay.
Unless you did something new to it.
I added some more not subs, but different subs to it
Uh-oh.
and stuff.
Hey, we gotta go around the block again.
Yeah.
You gotta hear his truck. Crazy.
Oh, you said you got subs in it?
Great. No.
I'm thinking about adding 2 more 12s to it.
That joint about to beat the block. Hold on, wait, it's loading. I said it's loading. But I'm telling you what, this is about to go crazy.
Okay, I got this cool, this Bugatti. I'm strong in this Bugatti. 2 V8s, ain't no such thing as driving cool in this Bugatti. Bitch, I'm bad, I'm worse, I pass. Don't fuck with me, cause right now I'm higher than Cap.
Alright, say what up to everybody.
What's up, everybody?
So, tell them what your name is.
My name is Junior.
Alright. Quick little video. We're in the States. It's my 1982 Toyota Corolla. Short video, but Just wanted y'all to see the States whip before it gets rebuilt.
Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I just wanted to give y'all a look into the rebuild series of my Corolla. Yeah, like I said, I got it back in 2018 and it hasn't been on the channel ever yet. So right now it's in the States. I'm in Germany, so the little work that's getting done on the car is very little, but there's progress happening. When I first got it, the tank was rotten, so I would have to pull over on the side of the road and like suck the fuel out of the hose, spit it on the ground to get this car started again. So we have a surge tank in there now. Bodywork should be next, and then the 45 Weber DCOE should be going on. The kit that you've seen, it's in the car, it just needs to be put on. And then paint and body is next, and hopefully by the time I get back, or I'll send it over here, it should be done and looking how I want it. I'm not sure if I want to track it. Hill climb is one big thing that I think I want to see myself doing with this car, but I'm not sure yet. So we'll figure that out. But track, hill climb, or I mean, I don't know how to drift. I mean, it'd be cool to drift it, but at the same time, I want to preserve the car. So we'll see. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys enjoy the vlog type videos, or if you guys enjoy the more cinematic videos. With that, drop a like, sub up. We're almost at 50. We're almost at 50 subs already. But yeah, hold up. Oh shit, my bad. Yeah, we're almost at 50 subs. I appreciate everybody that shared my video, like them, comment on them. Keep doing that. Yeah, let me know what you guys want to see. The next, I think we're all caught up on videos now. The next video should be more like a vlog type with the M240i, maybe. I gotta see if we're caught up, but there's a lot more videos coming to you guys, so just stay tuned, and yeah, be easy. Peace.